Okay, this is with the dummy load. So the transmitting radio, which is the PRO520XL right here. This is the old school version. Notice the digit, there's no line there at the bottom for the 9, and for the 6 there's no line at the top. Only the old school Uniden 500, 510, and 520 rigs do this. The current ones, there's an extra segment there in the LEDs for 6 and 9, so that's kind of how you can tell. The other way is by looking at the back. The FCC ID is going to be slightly different, and the location of manufacturer is going to be different as well. So again, this is into a dummy load with the Kalibur Electret Condenser mic, high impedance aftermarket mic. Hello, hello.
Radio check 1 2 3 4 5. Radio check 1 2 3 4 5. Radio check, over. Radio check 1 2. Radio check 1 2 1 2.